Hey you guys, I'm Molly with Design Lives Detail, and today we are checking in on the progress of our flip house. It's gonna be a lot of craziness, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. First up is this arch, which is a big improvement. If you can see where these like 2x4s are at the base, that's how wide this used to be. And it was really awkward because it was just narrow and skinny and tall. So opening this up looks more proportionally, I think, correct. And then also allows some light in from the other spaces, which I love. So this is an exciting update. We have some less exciting updates, which is the floor is torn up and we have been dealing with plumbing. So normally in the homes that we've built, we've done a basement. And so it's easier to access plumbing because it's just underneath the floor rather than in the ground. This, as you can see, is slab on grade, the foundation. And so we had to cut the concrete and dig down in here to change the plumbing for the island, because of course we're gonna have an island rather than a peninsula, and we're putting the sink right in the center, and so we had to plan accordingly. So the plumbers have been hard at work and they dug up this beautiful red dirt. That was where the plumbing was. So back here, we also had some changes. We are making it, rather than an electrical range, it will be an electric range. I mean, it will be a gas range. And so we had to bring the gas line in. They've been working on that. And of course, everything's ripped up now. Ben's tripping on stuff. This is finally kind of getting ready to where we'll put it back together and then we can start doing finishes, but we've got a few more steps to go. So another major change that we've been working on and that you might recall is this bathroom that was formerly one huge space. It was kind of weird that it was as massive as it was. It's like a 10 by 11 room or something like that. That was one single bathroom. And now we are working on dividing it into 2 bathrooms. You can see this is the wall here. This will be, of course, a solid wall. And the tall ceilings in here are kind of a unique feature. I think that's gonna be kind of cool. We have the tub there that fits perfectly. It's about 5 feet wide. So this is a pretty standard bathroom size, which is amazing that we're able to squeeze 2 bathrooms out of the one. This will have a double vanity here, which is great. It's gonna be the bathroom that serves those 2 bedrooms. So this one will get a little more use. And so the double sinks I thought would be nice and really functional, and there's plenty of space for it width-wise here. So we will check out the other bathroom too to show you how that lays out. Here we are in the other bathroom. This is the other side of that same wall we were looking at. This bathroom is not quite as deep. It's about 51 inches wide, and that will still be sufficient because we're doing just a shower in here. So not a tub, but a good sized shower. It'll be about 4 feet by the 51 inches. So that's a pretty good size. I feel like we still need to replace the termite wood. We have had them treated, so that's good. They are gone and dead, but we need to replace the wood in there. That'll be happening soon. And then this one, this bathroom is just going to have a single vanity because well, about a 36 inch. It's just serving 1 bedroom, so we only really need the single vanity. But what's nice about this side is that it has this closet area here that used to have a door on it. I took the door off to kind of simplify things. And then this will just be some horizontal shelving. So that'll give us space for all the guest towels and extra toiletries and things like that in here, which will be really great. Here in the living room area that opens up to the patio and pool is where we're standing now. This above is framed out for the windows I'm adding, which I think is going to be so cool. It's gonna bring in some extra light from outside, and also I feel like kind of update and modernize the space as well. Standing in the laundry room now, and actually this is an upgrade because it was so gross before. It had that pink linoleum that was super dirty and all kinds of stuff underneath the washer and dryer. So having this room all cleared out is nice to see the space and get a feel for, you know, what it can be. We're gonna add in some nice things in here with kind of shelving and cabinetry that will kind of encase the washer and dryer. So that's gonna add some storage space, which I'm excited about.